Yeah, hi, it's Chris here. I remember growing up in the kitchen with my dad, watching him put, all his secret ingredients in his goulash and bredetto and all the dishes, Croatian dishes that he would make. And then my mum's side being Dutch, watching her mum and my pop and my nana putting certain things in there. And I realized working with so many different chefs, like worldwide chefs that I used to work for, cooking in the last 45 years with them, starting as a young kid in the kitchen, working in restaurants, owning my own catering business. I realized recipe formulas, I help dads, singles, I help mums, I help teenagers, how to actually do recipe formulas, cooking in the kitchen, showing that, that they're not as hard as what you think. Have you ever thought about, what am I going to cook today? What am I going to cook tonight? I wish I could cook like that. Just, statements like that, like 101 cooking in the kitchen. So I'm creating modules, I'm creating lessons, and it'll be called ShowMeHowChef. I'd love to see you in there. I'm going to do some lives on Facebook, and that you can become a master. Like one recipe I show you in, like at the moment, I'm just cooking here some pilaf rice, which is an absorption method that I'm cooking rice. It's got saffron in it. But this one recipe, I could teach you 1 to 50 to 100 to 1,000 different dishes from one formula I can teach you just in there. So I'd love to see you on the inside and have an awesome day. So it's Chris here from Australia.